welcome back to Sheena's Homestead. Today is a really special day. We have our epic gingerbread party today. All these little kids are coming over in just a couple hours and they are ready to decorate their own gingerbread house. I purchased one gingerbread house per family. I got them from Costco. I'm gonna do a big unboxing so you can see exactly what's inside. And I'm also gonna show you how to party prep quickly and under budget for a Christmas party such as this one. So come along with me today and I'm gonna show you how we get started. Okay, so quickly I am just going to show you what comes in this Costco gingerbread making kit. You get the gingerbread house completely assembled, which is really nice. They are extremely solid. They do not break apart. They do come with some extra parts too, like a couple extra gingerbread people. And this is the candy that comes with it for decorating. So you have some gummy stars. You have some gumdrops in all different colors. And then you have these pretty little things. They taste like sweet tarts and they look like Christmas lights. So those are super fun for the kids to use. And then we also have here some pretty confetti. So these little cups did not come with the gingerbread kit. I bought them on my own and I like to have them so it keeps everything nice and neat for the kids to be able to choose their different candies from. And then these are just peppermints that came with the kit as well, and I'm spreading them out so they look aesthetic and are easy for the kids to use. This frosting did come with the kit as well, and also this red and green frosting too. So my oldest daughter and I are now just unboxing each kit. Like I said, I bought one for each family that's coming. Some had only 2 siblings, some had 4 siblings, but it was just one per family, and they all got to work on their individual house. And then I saved the box for them to be able to bring it home. This method has worked for the past 2 years that I have thrown this party, and it just works out perfectly. And here you see I made 3 really fun appetizers. I posted a video for this on Friday, so you can check that out if you want to make these 3 easy and simple appetizers. I promise you have the ingredients in your pantry right now. These beautiful little Christmas cookies are a no-spread sugar cookie. I have a video coming out on that shortly. For the frosting, I used a buttercream frosting, and I think they turned out so perfect. They held their shape. They are the perfect Christmas cookie. And then this is our final spread. Angelina added a little bit of meringue drops to our cookie platter, and then this is our hot cocoa charcuterie board, and I did do a full video on this as well. You can check it out. It came out last Sunday. I'll post that video in the comments below. Okay friends, well this is it. We are all set and ready for our party. We can't wait for our little friends to arrive. They should be here any minute, and I can't wait to see their faces when they see this beautiful gingerbread party setup. They're going to be absolutely amazed. Thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed my party planning episode. I hope that you have great plans for beautiful parties in your future too. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Sheena's Homestead. Bye, my friends.
on it.
Oh, good idea.
So
Thank
smart.
you.